Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well. I am your English teacher, Mrs. Naeed. I welcome you all to Pakistan International School's Distance Learning Program. English Language. Lesson 1. Week 5. The topic for our today's class is paragraph writing. Part 1. My dear students, at the end of today's class you will be able to identify a paragraph and its different parts. My dear students, today, we are going to learn about paragraph writing. Before we get started, let us look at the definition. A paragraph is a group of sentences about one idea. Let's look at an example. Here is the paragraph. I read it. Rehab is an excellent student. She is intelligent. She is responsible. Rehab always does her homework, and she is never late for her class. As a result of her hard work, Rehab is one of the best students in school. So remember, as I said, a paragraph is a group of sentences about one idea. So which sentence tells us the one idea that this paragraph is about? Rehab is an excellent student. That sentence tells us what the rest of the paragraph is about. So how many sentences does a paragraph have? A paragraph has about 5 sentences. Sometimes you can have fewer and sometimes you can have more. But usually 5 sentences is a good number for a paragraph. You can see this sample paragraph has exactly 5 sentences. Remember, the first sentence in a paragraph is indented. That means there is space before the first sentence. Dear students, a paragraph has 3 parts. The first part is topic sentence. This tells the main idea or what the paragraph is about. The topic sentence in our paragraph about Rehab is: Rehab is an excellent student. That sentence tells us what the rest of the paragraph is about. The next part of the paragraph is the detail sentences. These sentences explain and support the main idea. Our example paragraph has 3 detail sentences. They explain and support why Rehab is an excellent student. Here are the 3 example sentences about Rehab. She is intelligent. She is responsible. Rehab always does her homework, and she is never late for her class. Did you see how these 3 sentences explain and support the main idea? That Rehab is an excellent student. The last part of the paragraph is the conclusion sentence. This sentence reminds us of the main idea. The conclusion sentence in our example paragraph about Rehab is: as a result of her hard work, Rehab is one of the best students in school. This sentence reminds us of the topic sentence that Rehab is an excellent student. The meanings of these 2 sentences are similar, but we need to use different words in the conclusion sentence. My dear students, do you see how they are similar? The topic sentence: Rehab is an excellent student. And the conclusion sentence: as a result of hard work, Rehab is one of the best student in school. That reminds us of the topic sentence. That Rehab is an excellent student. My dear students, our paragraph practice for today is complete. I hope this video helped you understand what a paragraph is and how to identify each part of a paragraph. With this, we have come to an end of our today's lesson. Thank you for being attentive. Goodbye.